This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in southern Barton Heights. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home built in the 1980s. And if you look here in this neighborhood, you'll notice that these homes, while they do generally have an appearance of an older style of architecture, they are relatively new. And what happened here was this was land that was acquired back in the mid 80s by a CDC, which is a Community Development Corporation, and their mission is to provide affordable housing to families in whatever jurisdiction or whatever area they're in. And so they acquired this land and they built probably a few dozen homes over here in this community. And so that's why you have what is relatively modern looking homes here in an otherwise older neighborhood or older part of Richmond City. So we've got a couple of things that are working in our favor here with this neighborhood. Is you have modern floor plans, and of course you have lower maintenance homes, and a lot of people love that. Not something that you have a lot of here in Metro Richmond. And imagine this, sitting out here, you've got a huge wraparound porch, something very hard to do in modern construction. We don't see that styling very much in today's home. So a lot of people love the feel of the architecture here in this area. All right, let's go on in and take a look and see what she has in store. As we come in, we have a winding staircase, and of course, nice openness here to it with 3 windows. Immediately to my left, we have a coat closet, super convenient. And then on the other side of the steps, that is the heating and air unit. That's actually the heat pump that's in that closet. I love the fact that they put these pillars here, and this kind of breaks the room up a little bit. So you've got staging here that shows that this would be one area, and then beyond the pillars would be another. A lot of natural light flows in. We've got 2 ceiling fans here, and this is all real wood floors here in this first floor. All right, we're going to go straight back and see what else she has to offer. This is going to be a powder room here, convenient on the first floor. And we move into our kitchen area. We've got plenty of counter space, granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets. They have a maple tone to them, ceramic tile backsplash. Our stainless steel appliances do convey. Nice double bowl sink there. And straight ahead, of course, our fridge with ice and water in the door. This is going to be kind of a bar area here. If you're entertaining, that would be a great place to put out the adult beverages. And then as we go on around, this space does have chair rail, and this is plenty. This could actually be like a second family room area here. So you've got a lot of options as far as decorating. All right, let's take a look here in the back and see what our backyard has to offer. We have a nice size deck. We are completely fenced here in the rear. This particular block does not have a high density in terms of parking, because some of our homes actually have garages. Some of them have their own off-street parking. This is parking here for 2 cars. And so if you chose to not park on the street, you could of course park there. But since these are larger homes and we don't have any multifamily in the block, parking right on the street is no problem. The streets are actually nice and wide here, and you do have the alleyway for easy access here to the rear. All right, let's go back through, and we're gonna go upstairs. We do have a side door here that will allow you to go down and actually to that side street. We're going to go up the stairs and see what else she has to offer on the second level. Right now, we do have quite a few homes that are on the market in this price range. And we do have plenty of grant money available. 100% financing is also available. So if you're thinking about making a move, this is a great time to take advantage of those benefits that are in place. If you've been watching, you know that it does not take a whole lot of cash to get into a beautiful home like this. Okay, we're going to start here to the rear. This is going to be bedroom number 1. And we've got plenty of light. We've got we've got 4 windows here in this bedroom, which is very unusual. Straight ahead is going to be our closet. Our carpet here in this bedroom looks absolutely fabulous. They're definitely not showing much signs of wear here whatsoever. Nice calming yellow is our color scheme in this room. A lot of windows. Here to the left is going to be our second bedroom. And they actually have this one staged as an office. This is going to be the most conservative of the 3 bedrooms, but we do have a really good sized walk-in closet as well. One of the benefits of newer construction is builders, architects took into consideration that people have a lot of clothes and shoes. And so we need space for it. That is definitely a benefit for homes built here in the modern era. This is our hall bath. We've got a nice looking vanity there with looks like a granite top, ceramic tile on the floor, and our tub shower there to the rear. Nice wide walkway here. I'm not sure if you can tell, sometimes scale is a little tough on video, but this is just very open here, especially to be a second floor. We have a second floor laundry, and this is a full-blown laundry room. Your washer and dryer would go right there. And then here on the wall, if somebody wanted to put some shelving or a cabinet or 2 up, there's definitely space to do so. A lot of people love having a second floor laundry. You don't have to worry about lugging clothes up and down. This is unusual here. We have a second floor linen closet that is very large. So you could put all types of items in there. And then we are transitioning into our primary. Now, this is a rectangular primary with loads of light. Got 4 windows there. This is staged with that looks like it may be a full-size bed. So you could easily get a big king in here with no problem. We've got dual closets. That's going to be closet number 1. And then this is going to be closet number 2 right here. Special thanks to Brian Brooks, a listing agent, kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at his beautiful listing. All right, this is going to be our ensuite, and they did a great job with this. We've got the dual vanities separated by the nice soaking tub here in the middle. We've got 2 windows over that tub, let in some light, and then here to the left, our water closet area, and a nice oversized stand-up shower. It's got the marble tile style here and a nice detachable shower head in place. Wow, what a really nice looking home. Plenty of space for entertaining. That first floor is just wide open. You could arrange your furniture if you have big furniture. Sectionals have no problem fitting everything in there nicely. It just feels nice and open. This is a really good sized home. And if you have questions about this or any other home in the market, be sure to give me a call. It would be my honor to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this beauty. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.